This is my second attempt at the polygel nails, and this time I used just a solid color, which they call nude, but it's definitely just a pink, not nude for really anyone. And I think this time I went a little bit thicker with the gel on the inside of the nail. I really wanted to go for length this time and just see how well they held up. The process has definitely gotten easier the second time around. I didn't have any hiccups like the first time where I had an empty gap between my cuticle and the polygel. Oh, I forgot actually, on this thumb I went a little bit too thin underneath and I have to go back and fix that up. But you'll see later when I'm actually filing them down that it's super thick underneath that one left-handed thumbnail. Oh, and yeah, this is me trying to fix it. I never have my nails this long. They're really like claws. And the first time I went in, I just kind of filed down the side walls and kept all of the length. You can see from the underneath that they're very thick. They have like this weird hollow shape closer to my cuticle. And now I'm just gonna go in with the top coat. I really only slept with my nails this long, and then the next day I cut them shorter, which is also gonna be a part of this video. And now it's the next day, and I couldn't stand them being so long. I could hardly type on my laptop. So here I go, cutting them all down to a length I can live with. And these are the finished nails at the finished length. I had them on for about a week, though I definitely think the first time I did this, I might have put extra base coat, which allowed them to stick for longer than a week. Thank you for watching.